The question I want to talk about today is how to do marketing if you're a shy person and doing things like these videos or even writing blog articles is too daunting or too overwhelming or not really a natural thing for you to be gravitating to. And that is a lot of people. So yes, let me discuss that today. So I'm a shy person often, but obviously I do these videos. But if I was actually not wanting to put myself out there, what I would be doing is going under the radar. I would be connecting with people, reaching out to them, or via private message or via email, and just seeing how I can help them, seeing how I can serve them, but really just keeping an eye on what they're doing and congratulating them on milestones, encouraging them, staying in their world, so that you're still top of mind. That's essentially what marketing is. It's being there when the client is ready or has a problem that you can help them solve. So it doesn't have to be overt. It doesn't have to be paying to interrupt strangers. It doesn't have to be putting these videos all over the web. It can literally be under the radar, so the only people that know about you are the ideal buyers that you want to serve. So if I was heaps shy, that's what I'd be doing. All it would take is 10 or 15 minutes a day, reaching out to people and developing those relationships. Hope that helps.